Hello and welcome to my channel Computer Classes by Rachna. Now we will be doing the next example for cursors. If you have not seen what are cursors and the previous example of cursors, then you can definitely go through those first. And now we will discuss another example. So here we have to create a table student as given below, and we have to create a cursor to display the student ID, name and attendance for the students having attendance greater than 75%. So how will we get the name, attendance for the students, ID, name and attendance for the students having 75% and above? So for that, what we can do is we can simply give a select query. So using select, we can select the roll number, we can select the name, and we can select the attendance of those students who are having attendance greater than 75. So which rows can be selected? This is greater than 75, this, and then this and this. So these are the rows which are having values greater than 75, and rest are having the values which are less than 75. So how many rows will be selected? Let's count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 rows will be selected. All right, so let's see that we are creating a cursor here. So the cursor will include these 7 rows, and we have to work on these 7 rows, and we have to store these values in a variable. So first of all, we will create a table according to the question. So let's see how we are creating a table. So we are creating this table, create table student. Now it has roll number, it should be of type integer and primary key. Then name varchar 20 we have taken, then phone number of type number, and then attendance of type integer. So after creating a table, we can insert all the rows together. So how to insert the rows together? To insert the rows together, we have to use the statement insert all. So to use the statement insert all, we will simply put insert all to insert all the rows together. Then we give into table name values. So first we give the roll number, then we give the name in single quotes. All the values will be separated by commas. Then we give the phone number, and then we give the attendance. Now again, insert all is already given. First row we created, again we will give into table name values, and then roll number, name, phone number and attendance. So we will keep on repeating this for all the 10 rows. After that, at the end, we have to give select star from dual. So when we give select star from dual, all these rows will be created at one go. This row is created, and now we give the cursor. So for the cursor, we are simply giving set server output on. Then we declare the cursor. So whenever we declare the cursor, we declare cursor C1. I'm declaring a cursor with the name C1. And then I'm writing is. Is means I'm defining what all this cursor will include. So it will give select roll number, name, attendance from table name student where attendance is greater than equal to 75. So this is the select statement of cursor. Then we declare 3 variables. The 3 variables are V1, V2 and V3. We are declaring these 3 variables which will store roll number, name and attendance. So roll number will be stored in V1, name will be stored in V2 and attendance will be stored in V3. So what should be the data type? The data type of roll number should be same as that of the roll number of student table. The data type of name should be as same as that in the student table, and the data type of attendance should be same for V3. So we will declare these V1, V2 and V3 here. They should have the same data type as student dot roll number, student dot name, student dot attendance respectively. And for all of them, we will give percentage type, which means same type as the roll number of student, same type as name of the student, same type as the attendance of the student. This is how we are going to give the values. Now after this, we will begin with the cursor. We begin the cursor, we open the cursor C1, then we give loop. Why do we have to give the loop? We have to give the loop because 7 rows will be selected as we have seen. So we fetch these into the variables V1, V2 and V3. We fetch the cursor C1 into V1, V2 and V3, and we exit when C1% not found, which means when the rows are not found further after 7 rows, then we will end. Okay. Now one by one, whatever rows are fetched in V1, V2 and V3, we will display them. So DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line, roll number is in V1, the name is in V2, has V3% attendance. And then we will end the loop, we will close the cursor, we will end and slash. So what would be the output? The output would be like this. The output will be like this. Roll number 1, all right, roll number 1, name Priya Thakur has 79% attendance. Roll number 3, Riya Arora has 78% attendance. Then roll number 4, Pamela have 75% attendance. Roll number 5, Piyush has 82% attendance. Roll number 6, Karthik has 97% attendance. And then roll number 9, Payal has 90% attendance. Roll number 10, Shreyas has 88% attendance. So this would be the output for this cursor. I hope you understood. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you so much.